Hello po mga ka-Veneth Saladmaster family! Thank you very much for this recognition po. And I'm giving back all the glory and honor to our great God. He's our Jehovah Jireh, the great provider po during this pandemic times. And He's the one who leads us in this business. So, I want to share to you a Bible verse in Psalm 90:17 and Isaiah 60:22. May the favor of the Lord our God rest on us. Establish the work of hands for us. Yes, establish the work of our hands. And when the time is right, He will make it happen. Success isn't about winning. It's all about inspiring and encouraging others. Please allow me to thank the following. Cheers and thanks to all my family members here who supported me uh, this pandemic season, especially to Jack. To all our virtual clients, salamat po sa suporta and trust ninyo in the virtual world. Thank you to all my Saladmaster business partners or associates and booking partners for allowing me to share with you the opportunity as we partake our mission in Saladmaster. Thank you very much to all the Brown Lions team who participated sa ating Saladmaster activities. I know you are doing your best to adapt sa new normal strategies natin. So keep it up, guys. Thank you po sa buong Saladmaster family natin. Nagsisilbing inspirasyon po kayo sa akin. Every time po na nakikita ko yung sales nyo, tumitibay po yung loob ko na gawin at pagpatuloy po ang negosyo natin. Most especially to all our staff who supported me sa mga delivery. Alam niyan, yung mga delivery, Manat, sila Kuya Kokoy, lahat ng office staff. And most of all, to the Garcia family, thank you. Simula po kila Tatay Steve, Mami Beth, kila Sir Stevie, Ate Charlotte, Ma'am Lisa, Kuya Eman, kila Faye. Salamat po sa lahat ng support na binibigay nyo sa trainings, motivation, and inspiration. Salamat po sa lahat ng mga materials na pinaprovide nyo sa amin just to equip us. Thank you for being a vessel of blessing. And what I can only share to you is kung ano ba ang naging sekreto ko is just to keep my faith, focus, and fun pa din. Faith in God that He will enable us, and faith in myself that I can do it. Kasi if others did it, we can also do it, guys. So please do believe in yourself that we can do this business and God is with us. Na i-equip niya po tayo at di tayo pabayaan. He will even provide for us clients in the virtual world. Who would have thought na we could close a deal, several deals, especially to executive chef sets in the virtual world. So wala po talagang imposible pagdating kay Lord God. So please take that courage na to remove your fear and just have faith that we can do it. So let's adapt the new normal. So thank you so much for letting me share this journey of mine to you. Even though I still experience yung mga challenges, my go-to person is our bossing, si Sir Stevie. So all we need to do is to really connect and just share the burdens. Kung may burdens tayo, we just communicate and just share the business strategies to others so that others would benefit too. So alam po yan, mga kasamahan kong distributors and other consultants when they keep on communicating with us. So let's do that po para marami po yung mag-benefit sa Saladmasters. So we can help one another. So with prayer, work, and while we wait, we will have a great harvest here in Saladmaster. So we will become an overcomer amidst these obstacles, and all our testings will become our business testimonials in the future. Maraming salamat po. Ang gusto ko lang pong sabihin sa kanila is dito sa business po natin, no pain, no sales. So we should apply what we have learned because our Saladmaster cycle in this business, ganyan lang po talaga siya. So merong ups and downs. So ang importante po is we will never give up and we will just let our growth in Saladmaster journey happens. Nakakatuwa kasi never po tayong huminto mag-change ng life. We change life even in the virtual world. So Veneth family, let's continue to fight the good fight of faith. Let's make difference. Let's encourage one another and help one another. Let's have that faith and courage by never giving up. Be the person of inspiration. Pray, work, wait. Great harvest will come. Thank you very much, and to God be all the glory.